Hi, welcome back to the garden. A week ago at Meijer, I purchased this, a Thai hot pepper. And I put it in this pot with moisture controlled potting soil. The pot that I had one of the Thai hot peppers in last year is just growing weeds. My attempt to use some of the leftover peppers that got buried to grow a Thai hot pepper plant just didn't work out. But I was thinking that these would come around later in the season, and they did. So I purchased this one, and after a week of cooler temps, a lot of rain, and now really hot temps, it seems to be doing okay. So hopefully I've got something to harvest here in maybe the next month or so. I'll be keeping an eye on it. If you've never had a Thai hot pepper before, it's a very tiny pepper that is very spicy. It's hot, but it's spicy hot. So if you like something like a habanero, you'd probably like a Thai hot pepper. For the price of this plant, it was around $5 last year, and this year, you definitely get your money's worth because it makes a lot of little peppers. And you can freeze them and use them over the winter if you'd like. So that's my update today for the garden. The rest of the garden seems to be doing okay, except for maybe the green beans. They may or may not make it. But this is hopefully the last addition to the garden this year. Thanks for watching.